If you want your voice to work at work, the first step is understanding the principles behind producing a confident, charismatic, and healthy tone. To unlock your signature confident voice tone, you will need a clear understanding of how the voice works. At Cadenza, we're committed to training charismatic, confident, and healthy voices because we know your voice is your second face. How you project, protect, and express it will directly impact your professional success. In this workshop, we will show you exactly how the voice works so that you can understand the vital vocal criteria to aim for to convey increased clarity and confidence in your work and business conversations. This is a hands-on, interactive class that will teach you how the voice works, the first step to using your voice better at work, on stage, and when presenting. Sign up now by visiting the description box below where you can find the RSVP link.